Are your headlights starting to fade away and start turning that yellowish color and not shining as bright as they used to? Then you might want to stick around because on today's video, I am going to show you how to restore your headlights and get them looking brand new again. Here's the kit we will be using today, Service Right Headlight Restoration Kit. You can either purchase this kit at the parts counter at your Toyota dealer or you can purchase it online yourself. Now inside the kit, you will find 2 alcohol wipes, one for each headlight lens, 2 non-abrasive lotion pads. You have your lens prep right here. That's the lotion solution that you're going to be applying on the pads. You have your lens coating. That's pretty much the clear coat for the headlights. And you have your lint-free cloth. First thing you want to do is get a wet paper towel, not the lint-free cloth that came with the kit, but just a regular paper towel napkin. And all you want to do is just wet it up with some water just to remove the surface dirt and dust off the headlight lens. And just take your time removing all the dirt. And you can see how dirty the napkin is. All that dirt was sitting on top of the headlight lens. So with another clean paper towel, go ahead and wipe over it again. You just want it nice and clean. There you go, that looks good enough. Now you get your non-abrasive pad and you're going to apply the lens prep on there. Now in the kit, that's why they give you 2 non-abrasive pads. One is for each headlight. Try not to use up both on just one lens. Try to stretch it out, 1 pad per headlight. Now this way you can make or break the job. You really want to take your time really scrubbing that headlight to remove that yellow surface off the lens. So you just want to keep scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing with that lotion solution and a non-abrasive pad to try to get as much of that stain and the fade and the yellowish tint to the headlight away as possible. That's the purpose of the non-abrasive pad. And you don't have to worry about scratching the headlight lens or damaging anything. Now I must note that this kit is really effective if your headlights look like they still have some life left. So if your headlights are cracked and that yellow stain is like deep in the plastic or it's already embedded inside, then this kit will be of little use. Yeah, so you just want to make sure you get all the corners, take your time and every single corner, because if you cut corners and you shortcut on any area of the headlights, it will show through. I'm gonna just speed it up. Your hands will get tired after a while, but you just want to keep scrubbing away. And then after, you just get a regular paper towel, not the lint-free cloth, just a regular napkin, just to wipe off all the lotion solution off of it. You don't want to use the lint-free cloth yet. You want to take your time wiping every single area, every single corner, because you don't want to leave that white casting over the bumper. Because if that lotion solution dries up, it's just going to create this white cast. You don't want to hand the car over to the customer like that. So this is how it looks after applying the lotion solution and scrubbing it with that non-abrasive pad. You can already see a difference between the passenger side and the driver's side. Now it's time for your alcohol wipes. Take your alcohol wipes and then start rubbing on the headlights. Now at this point, you just want it nice and clean. The alcohol will help it to dry up and to absorb any moisture, and you want it really dry and lint free before you apply the coating. Now it's time for your lint free cloth that came in the kit. Now you just want to go over it again, nice and light. Now it's time for your coating, your clear coat. And it's just a spray bottle. The spray mist is going to come out like that, and you just want to spray it generously over the headlights. You don't have to worry about messing up, just long as you don't let it dry first. Then if you mess up, you can easily wipe it over with that lint-free cloth. Just spray generously until you see it covering the whole surface of the headlights evenly. And like I said, this won't damage your bumper. You don't have to worry about anything. So now with just a regular napkin, I'm going to go over the bumper area around the headlights to make sure I remove the clear coat so it doesn't dry up on the paint. Not the lint-free cloth. You want to use just a regular paper towel or napkin or something. Just going around the headlights now, making sure it's nice and clean and the clear coat doesn't dry up on the body paint. Going on top of the headlights weather strip to make sure that's nice and clean. I don't want it glossy with the overspray of the clear coat. Here's how it looks with the clear coat on there. Not too bad, right? Brought the headlights right back to life. Looking nice and good. It will look even better in the daytime or outside in the sunlight. The camera doesn't really do it justice. Now you can see the difference between the passenger side in the driver's side already. And pretty much the same step I'm going to repeat for the passenger side. I'm going to go ahead and speed it up in a time lapse. But this kit is pretty awesome. But like I said, if your headlights is already too far gone, then this kit would be of little use. But if it's just little minor color or just a minor fade that is starting to develop, I think this kit would do an excellent job. It's easy. You don't need no special tool, no heat lamp. You don't need no sandpaper. Because the old school kit, that's what we had. We had some sandpaper to really scuff the headlights, but those, if you don't do it right, man, you'll really cause some damage. And that's all there is to it, guys. Apply my clear coat. I'm going around the bumper again, making sure all the overspray and the clear coat is gone. And that's all there is to it, guys. If you want to restore your headlights, follow the simple steps that you saw in this video, and you'll be sure to get your headlights looking like new again. If you find this video informative, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching.